If you are over 60 and you notice your arms feel heavy when lifting a simple grocery bag, you are not alone. Perhaps you find yourself struggling to rise from your favorite armchair without using your hands for support. You might feel your legs tiring quickly during a short walk around the neighborhood. Most people will tell you this is just a normal part of getting older. They are wrong. This is not just aging. Here is what is really happening inside your muscles. You are likely experiencing muscle loss after 60, a condition known as sarcopenia. Your aging muscles are essentially starving for the right signals to grow. Today, a doctor explains the science of how 7 specific fruits can change that. These fruits contain natural compounds that can force your muscles to grow again. I promise that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to stay strong after 60 and protect your senior health. To understand how to grow muscle, we must first look at why we lose it. The medical term for this is sarcopenia. It is often paired with something called anabolic resistance. Imagine your muscles are a garden. In your younger years, the soil is rich and absorbs everything. After 60, the soil stops absorbing water as well. In this case, the water is the protein you eat. Even if you eat plenty of chicken or eggs, your body struggles to use that protein to build new tissue. This happens because of poor blood flow and a process called oxidative stress. According to the NIH and the Journal of Nutrition, this stress creates an environment where muscle protein synthesis slows down significantly. It is incredibly frustrating to feel like you are doing everything right, but still losing your strength. Your vascular health also plays a huge role here. If your blood cannot reach the muscle fibers, the protein cannot do its job. The fruit compounds we are discussing today act like a tool that fixes the soil in your garden. They allow your muscles to finally absorb and use the nutrients they desperately need to stay strong. The solution to rebuilding your strength is likely sitting in your kitchen right now. We are talking about specific fruits for muscle growth that contain powerful tools like L-Citrulline and vitamin C. These are not expensive supplements. They are real, affordable foods that act as natural muscle building after 60. These anti-inflammatory fruits help your body receive and use protein much more effectively. They work by opening up your blood vessels and protecting your muscle cells from damage. Many people over 60 are surprised to learn that vitamin C and muscles have such a strong connection. Stay with me, because number 1 on this list surprises almost every person over 60 who hears it. You probably already have it at home and just need to know how to use it. This senior diet strategy is based on hard science and clinical studies. Let's count down the 7 fruits that will help you reclaim your strength and your freedom. 7. Watermelon. Imagine you are out for your daily walk and your legs start to feel like lead weights. This often happens because your blood flow is not reaching your leg muscles effectively. Watermelon is a powerhouse for seniors because it is the richest natural source of L-Citrulline. This compound is a natural precursor to nitric oxide, which helps your blood vessels relax and open up. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that L-Citrulline significantly improves blood flow in older adults. This improved vascular health means more protein and oxygen reach your muscles during and after movement. For the best results, enjoy 2 cups of fresh watermelon as a mid-morning snack. You can even sprinkle a tiny bit of salt on it to help with hydration. But wait until you hear about number 5, because this one works while you sleep. 6. Citrus fruits, oranges and lemons. You might feel a nagging weakness in your hands when you try to open a jar or work in your garden. This is where citrus fruits like oranges and lemons come in. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and protecting muscle tissue. Research from the University of East Anglia, published in the Journal of Nutrition, showed that seniors with higher vitamin C levels had significantly more skeletal muscle mass. Vitamin C acts as a shield against the free radicals that cause muscle loss after 60. To get your daily dose, eat one whole orange or squeeze a fresh lemon into your water every morning. Eating the whole fruit is better because the fiber helps your body absorb the nutrients slowly. This simple habit supports muscle protein synthesis and keeps your connective tissues resilient and strong. Next up is a deep red fruit that changes how you recover. 5. Tart cherries. Think about that deep, dull ache you feel in your muscles the day after you do some yard work or go for a long walk. This muscle soreness after exercise is often caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. Tart cherries are unique because they contain high levels of anthocyanins. These are natural anti-inflammatory compounds that act like a gentle, natural version of common pain relievers. The Journal of Nutrition has featured studies showing that tart cherry juice recovery is real for older men and women. It actually protects your muscle fibers from breaking down under stress. The practical serving is 8 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice about an hour before bed. This timing is perfect because tart cherries also contain natural melatonin to help you sleep. Better sleep means better muscle repair and growth. Number 4 was actually featured in Harvard Health for its unique heart and muscle fat combo. 4. Pomegranate. You might notice that your body feels stiff and slow to get moving when you first wake up. This can be a sign that your cellular power plants called mitochondria are struggling. Pomegranates contain rare compounds called punicolagens. When you eat them, your gut bacteria turn these into Urolithin A. According to research cited by the NIH, this substance helps your body clear out old, damaged mitochondria and replace them with new ones. This process, called mitophagy, is vital for sarcopenia prevention. It essentially gives your aging muscles more energy to move and grow. Try adding a half cup of pomegranate arils to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. If the seeds are too tough, a small glass of pure pomegranate juice works too. It significantly improves neuromuscular function and keeps your heart healthy as you age. Stay tuned for number 3 because it is the most nutrient-dense fat on Earth. 3. Avocado. Muscle cramps can be a painful reminder that your body is missing key nutrients. If you often feel twitches or cramps in your calves at night, you need more potassium and healthy fats. Avocados are an amazing fruit for seniors because they provide more potassium than bananas. This mineral is critical for the electrical signals that tell your muscles to contract and relax. Harvard Health notes that healthy fats like those in avocados also reduce systemic inflammation. This creates a better environment for your muscles to stay strong. A serving of just half an avocado per day provides the monounsaturated fats your body needs to absorb other muscle-building vitamins. A simple prep tip is to mash it onto a piece of whole grain toast with a pinch of black pepper. This provides the perfect balance of energy and nutrients for your aging muscles. Our number 2 pick is a tiny berry with massive brain and muscle power. 2. Blueberries. General fatigue can make it hard to stay active enough to keep your muscles strong. Blueberries are often called a superfood for a good reason. They are loaded with pterostilbene and other antioxidants that specifically target inflammaging. This is the chronic, low-grade inflammation that naturally increases as we get older. The Journal of Nutrition suggests that these antioxidants protect your muscle cells from the oxidative stress that leads to sarcopenia. When you reduce this internal rusting, your muscles can focus on repair and growth instead of just surviving. 1 cup of blueberries a day is the ideal serving size. They are easy to prepare. You can toss them into a blender or eat them fresh as a snack. Even frozen blueberries keep all their muscle-protecting power. They support your cardiovascular health and your mind while keeping your body strong and capable. Now, let's reveal the ultimate combination that tops our list. 1. Watermelon plus tart cherry, the daily power combination. We have reached our number 1 strategy for forcing muscle growth after 60. This is the daily power combination of watermelon and tart cherry juice. When you combine these two, you get a synergistic effect that you cannot get from any single fruit. The L-Citrulline from the watermelon opens your blood vessels and improves your vascular health. Then, the anthocyanins from the tart cherry juice move through those open vessels to reduce inflammation and protect your tissue. This combination directly attacks the two biggest causes of muscle loss, poor blood flow, and high inflammation. According to the science in MDPY and Frontiers, this duo significantly improves muscle protein synthesis in older adults. To use this, blend 1 cup of watermelon with 4 ounces of tart cherry juice for a refreshing morning drink. This pre-recovery drink ensures your muscles are primed and protected for whatever your day holds. It is the ultimate natural way to build muscle after 60. Now that you know the top fruits, you need a simple plan to start tomorrow morning. You do not have to eat all of these at once. Success comes from a consistent anti-inflammatory diet for seniors. I suggest starting your day with the watermelon and tart cherry juice blend we just discussed. This primes your blood flow for the day. Later in the afternoon, have your orange or a handful of blueberries. This provides a steady stream of antioxidants to your muscles. Pause. Chi. These fruit-based strategies for strength work best when you pair them with a little movement. Remember, this is not about being perfect or eating a massive amount of fruit. It is about adding these specific nutrients to your routine consistently. These muscle-building foods over 60 are your natural allies. When you give your body the right tools, it is capable of healthy aging naturally. You can start small, but the key is to start today. Imagine for a moment what it feels like to stand up from your chair with total ease. Picture yourself walking through the park with your grandchild, keeping up without a single thought about your legs feeling tired. Visualize yourself carrying your own groceries into the house with confidence and ease. This is what we mean when we talk about senior strength. It is not about lifting heavy weights in a gym. It is about protecting your independence. Independence is the most valuable thing you have as you age. When your muscles are healthy, you can climb stairs without fear and enjoy your hobbies for years to come. Your muscles can still respond and grow at any age when you provide the right nutrients. Use these fruits to feel stronger after 60 and protect your heart health. You have the power to stay strong, stay capable, and stay independent. You deserve to age well and feel vibrant in your own body. I want to hear from you today. Which of these 7 fruits do you already have in your kitchen? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If you found this information helpful, please save this video so you can refer back to the serving sizes later. Sharing this with one person you care about who is over 60 can make a world of difference in their health. Make sure to follow this channel for more weekly senior health tips. In my next video, I will show you exactly when to eat each of these fruits for maximum muscle benefit, because the timing can change how your body absorbs them. Stay strong, keep moving, and I will see you in the next video.